Ever wondered if your brain is akin to a supercomputer? Well, it is. Just like a supercomputer, your brain is a powerhouse of processing capabilities. It's constantly interpreting, analyzing, and reacting to the world around you, making millions of decisions and computations every single day. And just like a supercomputer, your brain has an incredible capacity for memory storage. Every experience, every memory, every bit of knowledge you've ever gained, it's all stored within your brain's intricate network of neurons. But there's more to the comparison than just processing power and memory storage. Supercomputers, like our brains, need regular updates and maintenance to function at their peak. They need new software to enhance their capabilities, regular cleaning to ensure efficient performance, and protective measures to preserve their longevity. So, are you ready to learn how to update, clean, and protect your brain just like a supercomputer? Scene script. First, let's focus on updating your brain's software. Just as you would regularly update the software on your device, your brain also needs consistent updates to function efficiently. One might wonder, how do we update our brain software? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Reading books is one of the most effective ways to update your brain. Think of books as software patches. They introduce you to new perspectives, broaden your horizons, and stimulate your imagination. Each book you read adds a new layer of knowledge, helping your brain adapt to different situations, solve problems, and make more informed decisions. Next, we have podcasts. In today's fast-paced world, podcasts are like convenient software updates you can download and listen to on the go. They can cover a vast array of topics, from science to philosophy, from mindfulness to entrepreneurship. By tuning into podcasts, you can absorb new ideas, hear expert opinions, and learn about the latest trends and developments. They not only entertain but also educate, enabling your brain to process and assimilate information in a relaxed and engaging manner. Then there are experiences. These are the real-time updates to your brain's software. Every new experience, be it traveling to a new place, learning a new skill, or meeting new people, provides your brain with fresh data to process. It's like running a new software application that pushes your brain to adapt, learn, and grow. Our brains are designed to learn and evolve. By actively engaging in reading, listening to podcasts, and seeking new experiences, you're contributing to your brain's development and cognitive enhancement. You're helping it to become more flexible, more adaptable, and more efficient. In essence, you're not just updating your brain's software, you're upgrading it. You're equipping it with the tools it needs to navigate the complexities of life with ease and grace. Remember, just like updating a computer's software, feeding your brain with new knowledge helps it operate at its best. Now, let's talk about cleaning your brain's hard drive. Imagine your brain as a powerful computer, storing countless files and folders. Over time, just like a computer, your brain too can become cluttered with unnecessary information, causing stress, anxiety, and even confusion. This is where the cleaning process comes in, specifically through meditation, positive self-talk, and journaling. First, let's delve into meditation. It's a time-honored practice, recognized worldwide for its ability to clear the mind and reduce stress. When you meditate, you're essentially running a deep cleaning operation on your brain. You're sifting through the clutter, organizing your thoughts, and ultimately creating a sense of mental clarity. Think of it as defragmenting your hard drive, aligning everything in a way that makes it easier for your brain to access and process information. Next, we have positive self-talk. In the digital world, this would be akin to removing harmful viruses that slow down your system. Negative thoughts are like these viruses, eating away at your mental health. By replacing these with positive affirmations, you're effectively removing these viruses, boosting your brain's performance and your overall well-being. Finally, there's journaling. This is the equivalent of emptying your computer's recycle bin. Journaling allows you to pour out your thoughts, feelings, and experiences onto paper, effectively freeing up mental space. You're not just deleting unnecessary files, you're also creating a record of your thoughts, allowing for reflection and learning. It's like creating an archive of your experiences, one that you can revisit and learn from. So, there you have it. 3 powerful tools to help clean your brain's hard drive. Just as you would regularly clean your computer to keep it running smoothly, your brain too needs regular cleaning. It's all about decluttering your mind, making space for new thoughts, ideas, and experiences. So by meditating, speaking kindly to yourself, and journaling, you're essentially decluttering your brain, making space for new information and ideas. Finally, let's ensure we're protecting your brain's battery. Just like any device, your brain needs to recharge and conserve its energy to function optimally. One of the best ways to recharge is by connecting with nature. It's like plugging into a natural energy source. When you immerse yourself in the great outdoors, you're allowing your mind to rest, reset, and recharge. You're giving it a break from the constant information processing, letting it wander and breathe. This natural energy boost can help your brain function more efficiently and effectively. Next, we have sleep. Imagine sleep as the nightly charging session for your brain. A solid 8 hours of sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's during this time that your brain processes the day's information, forms memories, and regenerates cells. Without adequate sleep, your brain's battery can drain quickly, leading to decreased focus, poor memory, and even mood swings. So, make sure you're giving your brain the rest it needs to fully recharge and prepare for the next day. Finally, let's talk about technology. As helpful as it is, it's crucial to manage your technology use. Excessive screen time can overstimulate your brain, like keeping a device on full brightness all the time, draining the battery faster. It's important to set boundaries for your technology use. Take regular breaks from screens, switch off notifications, and allow some tech-free time each day. This can help your brain conserve its energy and prevent burnout. So think of your brain as a high-tech device with a powerful battery that needs protection. A battery that needs to be recharged with nature's energy, topped up with quality sleep, and conserved by managing technology use. It's all about balance. By taking these steps, you're not only protecting your brain's battery, but also ensuring it operates at peak performance. By connecting with nature, getting enough sleep, and limiting screen time, you're not only preserving your brain's energy, but also enhancing its performance. To sum up, your brain is indeed like a supercomputer. It's capable of processing vast amounts of information, but it also requires regular maintenance and care. Let's do a quick recap. Updating the brain's software is essential. This can be achieved by engaging with books, tuning into thoughtful podcasts, and curating enriching experiences. These activities stimulate intellectual growth and keep the mind sharp. Cleaning the brain's hard drive is another crucial step. Practices like meditation, positive self-talk, and journaling help declutter the mind and create space for new, healthy thought patterns. This mental hygiene is as important as physical cleanliness. Lastly, protecting the brain's battery is vital. Spending time in nature, ensuring a full 8 hours of sleep, and mindful use of technology can help conserve and replenish mental energy. So take care of your brain, your body's supercomputer, and it will take care of you. Remember, a well-maintained brain leads to a healthier, happier life.